What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at SoundHound AI and let's take a look at and identify if there is any play developing on this for upside or to the downside. What can bring SoundHound AI back to $10? What are the things it has to go through? Or if it can continue lower to $2.71 area or back down to $1.50 or things like that. Like, what is the price action telling us? In which direction is it heading right now? And if it has to go up, if you are looking for upside, what are those key structural levels, the price action that you have to see in SoundHound AI? We'll talk about all of that in this video. As for what the price action is telling us right now, is this a buy again or is it continuing to go lower? We'll talk about all of that in this video, guys. So with that, please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion here. That's all, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So, SoundHound AI, we have had taken 3 plays on it here. First one on the long side, good money, then short as well, and then a long play as well we have taken on this. 3 plays at least I have taken. Then I have talked about other plays as well with you, that if I take you to the hourly interval, just a bit of recap I'm providing here. And since the time this thing broke this previous support zone that it was trying to hold the previous all-time highs at $7.91, every time it was making a lower high, a lower high, and lower high. And the support was being held, but you can see this triangle is forming right over here with the high is not being able to go up, but support was holding. And when we broke this trend line, which was our major trend line from all the plays that we have taken, the sentiment shift areas of the plays, once we broke this trend line with the triangle, flushed straight to the downside, guys. And since then I have been saying that SoundHound AI is in the downtrend. It's in the downtrend. That's what I have been saying. So, and I also talked about that when price was back here around $5.70, I said that, guys, it has a room to come lower down to. The next support level it would find would be at around this level of $4.76 area zone. We got that as well on this. And guys, and the next level I talked about was this $4.19 area. Check out all the previous videos in the playlist of SoundHound AI that I talked about. I said this is where the next support would be potential due to this consolidation, and we are finding the support there. And my indicator has already marked these levels automatically for you. What I'm going to do is just turn off the intraday levels for now, just show you the significant levels. And you can see precisely penny to penny, we have reacted at these important levels, right? And this is where we are trying to find support here, at the moment at least. Is this a buy here? Is this going to continue up from here? So let's talk about all that in the price action. So right now, if we lose $4.20, okay, there's a room that it will continue to fall lower to $2.70. So can this thing come down to $270? So we are talking about the downside case first. Well, what are we doing? We are in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Right now, this is an important level because we have a lot of previous support over here. Oh, sorry, the resistance that we broke out of. So there's a good price action here. And that's why it's important to see the price action at these levels. That's why we have to see the price action at these levels. What is it telling us? Right now, we are in the downtrend, continuing the downtrend. The only way to save this would be if this thing, let's say, finds support at $4.20 and makes it a double bottom here and goes up and breaks out of $4.72. That's when there's a chance that this may start to go in the uptrend. Okay, and if any news catalyst comes, that would be good as well. But right now, the price action is not confirming. It may confirm double bottom, right? But In this particular case of SoundHound AI, the confirmation, I would say let it form this double bottom, but you need to see this break above $4.71 one of the days for the context of where the price action is right now, and close above $4.71 without going lower than $4.19. Because if this thing goes lower than $4.19, then this confirmation is no longer valid anymore. This will be better for sure, but then we have to see the new price action confirmation structure building, and we have to see which level is the level of confirmation for uptrend. So we have to trade where the price action is building. Right now, if this level holds $4.20 with the double bottom, and we go up and break $4.71 without breaking further below $4.19. Okay, everything that I'm saying is very important in this price structure. Okay, if this breaks this level to the downside, the structure will change again, and we have to take a look at the price action again, because that will just be a continuation to the downside. That's still just a downtrend. All right, so yeah, this is important to hold this level of $4.20 and break out above $4.71. That may give some swing upside start to make uptrend. Guys, the thing is that these are type of momentum stocks, penny stocks. When the hype comes into it, you take the advantage of the hypes. Okay, you take those advantages, and when that hype is over, when the air is coming out of the bubble right over here, this was a great bubble, right? Air got out of it, guys. You gotta stand away from it. These stocks, you can't marry to these stocks. Okay, you will be a hodler, right? You don't want to be a hodler on this thing. And this thing is way long gone with that trend line, but that was one of the areas that we were watching with the trend lines rejections. Yeah, it has gotten out of it, the trend line, but it doesn't make it bullish still. It is still in the downtrend. It's just that it's below 200 hours moving average, constantly rejecting 20 and 50. I'm not seeing the upside on this right now. So you got the idea what to look for the upside where the price action is. And unfortunately, if we lose $4.20 on this thing, then expect much more downside to come. We don't have a good support until $2.70 then. Unfortunately, there might be some come at $3.50, but yeah, this is not a buy in my opinion right now if you're trying to make the money in near term or intraday on the swing on the long side. It's not the play right now, in my opinion. Just my opinion, guys. Just sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. So, and that's where our 200 days moving average is almost, right? So why would you want to buy this thing, right? Yeah, this is in the downtrend, guys. Why would you want to buy this falling knife, right? Cool. We do have some articles and news here. Well, this is 2 days old though, but it just says that from sell to neutral, price target $4.90 from Cantor Fitzgerald, but you can see it's already still below $4.90. I don't see any confirmation of $4.90 though. They had a sell on it. One more thing. SoundHound AI is also doing this for $150 million equity raise, so they're diluting the shareholders, right? So this was on 10th of April. So this is also not good because it's diluting the share value, which is also leading the stock to fall because it's not valued anymore the price it would be at. Okay, so because there's just now more supply, right? So because the shares you are holding are less valuable now because there are more of those shares. Okay, so that's that. Yep, it's not a buy from my side, just my opinion. Oops, so wow. Oh, sorry guys. Unless it gives those price action confirmations to the upside, the levels that I just talked about in my video. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.